What if I told you you could start making money today without spending a single dollar? No investment, no experience, no fancy setup, just your phone, your time, and the right strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 side hustles you can start right now for free. And some of these can realistically make you your first $100 or even more. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make money online, build passive income, or just escape the 9-to-5 grind, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, because I drop real strategies that actually work. Now let's start with hustle number 1. Most people think you need years of experience to freelance. That's not true. If you can write simple text, design basic graphics, edit videos, or even manage social media, you already have a skill you can sell. Go to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and offer simple services like YouTube thumbnail design, caption writing, data entry, or basic video editing. Even charging $5 to $10 per job adds up fast. Pro tip: use free AI tools to speed up your work and deliver better results. You don't need to show your face to make money online. Faceless content is exploding right now. You can create motivational videos, money tips, facts, or storytelling videos. Use free tools like AI voice generators, stock footage, free editing apps. Upload to platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Once you grow, you can make money through ads, affiliate links, sponsorships. Consistency is key here. This is one of the best ways to make passive income. You create something once and sell it over and over again. Examples: planners, budget trackers, resume templates, social media templates. Use free design tools to create them, then sell on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Even if you make just $5 per sale, 20 sales equals $100, and it keeps growing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission. You don't need to create anything. Here's how it works. Sign up for affiliate programs, get your unique link, share it online. You can promote through TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, blog posts, social media pages. Every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. Some commissions can be $10, $50, even $100 per sale. This one sounds crazy, but it works. Go to platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. People give away things all the time. Furniture, electronics, clothes. Pick them up, clean them, and resell them for profit. You can flip something for $20 to $100 easily. Just effort. So there you have it. 5 side hustles you can start today with absolutely no money. The truth is, you don't need money to start. You need action. Pick one of these, focus on it for the next 7 days, and stay consistent. If you do that, you can make your first $100 faster than you think. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. Which side hustle are you starting today?